I did a video the other day about how after betrayal, you get to redefine everything and you get to rewrite the script, all of it. Part of that is rewriting the script around how you treat yourself. And here's a little fun idea that may work for you. This is something that I did personally. I used to be so hard on myself. If I did something, that wasn't right or didn't go over well, I would call myself names. I would be so hard on myself. And then after my betrayal experience and I was redefining everything, I decided, you know what? I don't want to be so hard on myself. So what I decided was, like, for example, if I drive anywhere, I get lost. I just do. So I just know I need to leave extra time. But the old me would just get so angry and upset and call myself names. And I decided that when I do those same things after betrayal, now they're all adorable. So it's fun and it's lighter and it's easier. So it's time to be a little bit easier on yourself. If you're really hard on yourself or there was something about you that you're ready to change, that aftermath of betrayal where everything is shattered and everything is up for redoing, well, one of the things is you may want to redo how you look at yourself, how you speak to yourself. Think about it. If you spoke to your friends the way you spoke to yourself, you wouldn't have a friend in the world, right? So why not be a little kinder, a little more gentle with yourself, and maybe what you do going forward isn't so bad and so horrible and all these things. Maybe it's simply adorable.